bonjour. Wireless controlling of the Neo Geo is possible, I found out recently. You can use any 8bitdo wireless controller with the Neo Geo via two things. You use the Super Nintendo 8bitdo receiver and this thing. I'll show you it. I'll get it from eBay. Nintendo SNES to Neo Geo and Super Gun adapter plus auto fire from this seller. And there is the item number if you want to pause and search for that. This wasn't the first one I tried. I tried another one from Arcade Forge in Germany and it didn't work. It looked very similar, but and I connected it all together. It powered on, and the little blue LED on the front of the receiver lit up, and I could pair the controller with it, but none of the inputs actually worked. But this one works fine. This exact one. It's not exactly expensive either, and he ships globally. It's also got a nice auto fire function where if you hold start and any button for 3 seconds, then that button will become auto fire. And it has a little switch on it on the top to reset the auto fire feature. But it works fine and dandy. I mashed mine together into one little unit, chopped off the connectors, trimmed back the boards just to make it into a small little unit, relocated the auto fire reset switch, wired them together and heat shrunk them. It's a lot of work though, just for a reduction in size, so I can't really recommend that, but I shall show you it working. Oh, one thing to note, I'm not sure if this will work fine with a AES or CD console because of the abnormal controller ports that they've got. They're very deep. There's a lot of fresh air before you reach the actual pins. I mean, if you look at this, this is a AES compliant extension cable, and look how long that connector is. So if you are going to use it on an AES or CD, you might have to make some kind of little adapter. Just maybe get an extension cable like this, chop most of the wire out and just wire those two together into some little short extension thing. I can't test that because I haven't got an AES or a CD console. Plug that in, switch them on. This is an Omega, the king of the consoleized MVSs. Should work with any unconsoleized MVS. Provided the controller ports are wired correctly and provide 5 volts. There we go, connected. The buttons are configured in the same way they would be on a Neo Geo pad. A, B, C, D, start, but select, strangely enough, is on the left shoulder, but it's still there. Strikers 1945 plus, the best shooter on the Neo. Playing it one-handed should be an experience. You can use the stick or the pad. Yeah, I suck. But yeah, it works fine and dandy. No discernible input lag. Recommended if you want a wireless controller for the Neo Geo. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching.